Hello friends, in today's video we will see the best or top 3 international mutual funds that we can consider investing. First and foremost, let's understand what is an international mutual fund. In simple terms, we can say international mutual funds provides us a chance to invest in world's best brands that aren't listed in India. For example, it allows you to invest in Facebook, Google and top international brands. In addition to that, it majorly helps us to diversify our mutual fund investment portfolio. In case Indian economy doesn't perform well, your mutual fund returns which you invested in India might not be more. So, in case you invested some of your money into the international mutual fund based on the geography or the country in which you invested, the return will be more. The main point to note is that the international mutual fund is not only giving us option to invest only in United States market, it allows us to invest in Germany and China and Japan markets. This based on the mutual fund that you select to invest your money in. So far we have seen some basic information about international mutual fund. Now it's a time to look into the top 3 best performing international mutual funds available in Indian market. The fund which stays at number 3 position is Motilal Oswal S&P 500 Index Direct Fund. Let's look into some of the basic details about this Motilal Oswal S&P 500 fund. Starting with the minimum investment required in case of SIP, which is 500. In case you want to invest in lump sum, you have to start with 500. The expense ratio of this fund is 0.49%, and the actual AUM maintained under this fund is 2144 crores. In addition to that, when we look into the lock-in period, there is no lock-in period involved in this fund, and it is tracking the US market S&P 500 total return index. The exit load of this fund is around 1%. Now let's look into the investment return of Motilal Oswal S&P 500. The returns are given in percentage. In 3 months, you would have gained 6.74%. In 6 months, we would have got around 8.68%. In the last 1 year, it has given the return of 33.48%. Now we have seen the return in percentage. Let's look into the absolute return that we would have got in case we have invested around 10,000. In last 3 months, our 10,000 investment would have gained 674 rupees. In last 1 year, it would have given the return of 3,348 rupees. In case you invested during the NFO of this fund, you would have got the return of 5,614 rupees. Let's look into the fund which stays at number 2 position in our list. The fund name is Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100 Fund of Fund. Let's look into the basic details. The minimum investment is 500, and in case of lump sum investment, you have to start the investment with 500 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 0.10% as of September 30, 2021. The AUM maintained under this fund is around 3,622 crores. When we look into the lock-in period, this fund is same as the previous fund that we have seen. There is no lock-in period. The benchmark being tracked by this fund is Nasdaq 100 index. It indicates that this fund investment is going to get invested in stocks which are listed under Nasdaq 100 index. The exit load for this fund is not applicable. There are no charges when you exit from this fund. Let's look into the absolute investment return associated with this fund in percentage. This fund has given the return of 4.81% in last 3 months, 9.49% in last 6 months, and in last 1 year it has given the return of 33.05%. So far we have seen the return in percentage. Now let's look into some real-time example. In case you have invested 10,000 in this fund, the return would have been 480 rupees in last 3 months, 3,305 rupees in last 1 year. In case you invested during the NFO, it would have given the return of 13,054 rupees. that is nearly 100%. Now let's look into the fund which stands at number one position in our ranking, which is none other than Franklin India US Opportunity Direct Fund. Let's look into some basic information about this US Opportunities Direct Fund. In case you want to invest in SIP, you need to start with minimum 500. In case of lump sum, you have to start the investment with 5000 rupees for the first time. Subsequent investments can be 500 rupees onwards. When you look at the expense ratio, this fund has a lower expense ratio of 0.52% as of September 30, 2021. The asset under management under this fund is around 3,838 crores. When we look into the lock-in period, this fund has no lock-in period. The benchmark index being tracked by this fund is Russell 3000 Growth. It indicates that the stocks which are listed under Russell 3000 will be bought and sold for the performance of this particular fund, and the exit load of this fund is around 1% in case you redeem the amount within 1 year. Now it's time to look into the past performance of this fund. We are going to see the absolute investment return in percentage. In the last 3 months, it has given the return of 5.71%. In the last 6 months, it has given 15.50%. The last 1 year performance was around 31.21%. In case you had invested in this fund from the last 3 years, you would have got the return of around 108.10%. Let us look into this equation in a simple terms. For example, in case you invested 10,000, you would have got the return of 570 rupees for the last 3 months, 3,120 rupees in the last 1 year. In the last 3 years, it has given the return of 10,809 rupees, which is equivalent to 100% of your investment. In the last 5 years, it has given the return of 21,100 rupees, which is equivalent to nearly 200% of your investment amount. So far, we have seen the top three best performing international mutual funds that we can consider invest in Indian market. Now it's time to recap what we have just seen.